Okay, so we're gonna show you some of the things you need to work on for the next song we're gonna do in class, Pearly Shells. The key thing about this is the new strumming pattern. And until now we just strummed downstrokes, whether it was with a thumb or with your fingers or with a pick. But now we're gonna add the upstrokes. We're also the way we're gonna count it's gonna be one, and two, three, four, and two. Notice that what I'm doing is on downstrokes is on the number one. On the way up, I like to use my pointer finger, just kind of lightly plucking the two or three bottom strings here. I'm not trying to do too much. It's almost like it kind of happens by accident. Da, 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 da. Notice rhythmically on the rhythm the what I call the horsey thing. Notice that now I'm counting a downstroke and an upstroke as one beat, whereas until now it was only one downstroke. A two, a three, a four. That's one measure. And the first chord we have to worry. So first thing you want to do is just kind of practice that, and you can practice on any chords that you know already, even like something that we learned. This is the 12-bar blues. Giving it just a different kind of flavor, but with a different strum stroke. The key big chord that we have to work on for this song is going to be the G chord. And this is what it looks like. We're going to put our pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Our middle finger is on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And our ring finger is on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. One of the ways to practice this is to just kind of hold your hand at home and spend some time holding your middle finger and your your pointer finger and your ring finger together, kind of clutch them together, and be able to move this finger up and down or inside out, basically. And this kind of lays out most of the work. You can even just get used to holding the ring finger right underneath here, and that sort of lays everything down in the right spot where it needs to be on the ukulele. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's one measure. So we got our intro starts with 2 measures of G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we got 2 measures of C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 1 measure of G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then D7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that in order to move from a G to a D7, all I did is move every finger, 1 string up to the ceiling, then just got rid of my ring finger, or you can just get rid of the ring finger and then move each finger up 1 string, and there you have it. So G, 1, 2, 3, and D7, 3, back to G, 2 minutes. And there's your whole intro. Here it is all together again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next part we have to work on is the verse. And the verse starts with 4 measures of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to 2 measures of C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got 1 measure of A7. This is going to be the easiest chord that you're going to do. Just pointer finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to move to a D7. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a kind of a bit of a switch. It's going to be a bit of a change you have to get used to. And that's the first half of the verse. So here it is all together. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the second half of the verse is going to be C, 2, 3, sorry, G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, back to G, 4, D7 and 2 measures of G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, the second half of the verse is the same as the intro. So if you got the intro, you're already halfway down on the verse. Okay, the last section that we have to look at is the bridge. The bridge is going to start with an A7, 2 measures. Sorry, not A7. D7 for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to a G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to D7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A7. 2, 3, 4. 1 measure. Back to D7. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those are the only sections you got to worry about. Once you have all these 3 sections, we can put the song together and you can play it from beginning to end. That's it.